Dinasti Khas Bukit Aman.
Seorang pesara swasta kerugian wang simpanan hampir. Seorang pesara pegawai bank berputih mata apabila menjadi mangsa.
Today, online scams have become the most common and the most dangerous computer crime in Malaysia. Scammers use internet to trick some people to getting money and personal information. Online scams happen on social media, email, messaging app, fake website, and online marketplace. Scammers pretend to be bank, government officer, delivery company, or even someone you know. They use fear, urgency, or fake promises to mislead victims.
This can cause serious damage. Victims can lose thousands of ringgit instantly. If you think you are scammed, report it immediately. Today, I will explain how to register intellectual property or IP for AI software in Malaysia and why it's important for protecting your innovation. When developing AI software that benefits society, protecting your work is crucial. IP registration helps prove ownership, prevents unauthorized use, and increase the commercial value of the software. In Malaysia, all IP matters are managed by IPO, the Intellectual Property Corporation of Malaysia. Copyright protection is the most common for software. Although copyright exists automatically, registering with MyIPO provides stronger legal evidence. You need to submit the software title, creator's name, creation date, description of the software, and the sample materials like screenshot or code. If your AI includes a unique invention, you can apply for a patent. This requires technical details such as law the AI works, claims explaining what is protected, diagram, and system architecture. A patent is only granted if the invention is new and useful. 3. To protect your software identity, you can register a trademark for the name or logo. You need to select the correct class, usually class 9 or 42, submit your detail, and upload the logo. After reviewing your application, MyIPO will issue the official certificate, copyright certificates, patent grant, and trademark registration. This document proves legal ownership and allow you to take action if someone copies your work. It's important to renew trademark, maintain patents, and monitor competitors to prevent infringement. The importance of privacy and the ethical issues surrounding surveillance in our increasingly digital world. In modern society, almost every aspect of our life is connected to technology, whether through social media, online banking, mobile apps, or cloud service. Because personal information is constantly shared online, without proper protection, sensitive data such as names, phone number, financial details, and location can be leaked. In Malaysia, privacy is protected through the Personal Data Protection Act 2010 or PDPDA. Surveillance refers to monitoring individual or activities either physically, electronically, or digitally. Surveillance can be seen through CCTV network, AI-powered facial recognition, and even online monitoring. In conclusion, privacy is essential for protecting personal autonomy, dignity, and democratic values, while surveillance must be used responsibly and ethically by understanding understanding privacy laws, using digital safety practice, and promoting transparency, we can create a safer and more trustworthy digital environment for everyone. Computer reliability refers to the ability of any computer-related component, whether hardware, software, or network infrastructure, to constantly perform according to its intended specification. Today, we are talking about computer reliability, why it matters, and how it affects everything from national safety to the phone in your pocket. A reliable computer or device has high uptime, low failure rates, and can bounce back from disruption. This is why systems use redundancy, backup components that take over when something fails. In December 2025, Malaysia faced a major system glitch that destroyed weather forecasts and earthquake alerts nationwide. For several hours, automated warning systems were down, and the team had to rely on manual monitoring. This case proved that even critical national systems can fail. Phone reliability. So, which phone is more reliable? Android or iPhone? Generally, iPhones are more consistent because Apple controls both hardware and software. Android reliability varies across brands. Flagship model perform great, but cheaper model might struggle with hardware durability and software updates. In the end, reliability affects everything. Public safety, business decision, and your daily digital experience. The stronger the system, the safer and more efficient our digital work becomes. Professional ethics in MyStratour development. Today, I will explain how 4 key principles of the Professional Code of Ethics guide the development of MyStratour application. The principles are public, client and employer, product and judgment. The first principle is public. Engineers were responsible for protecting the safety and privacy of millions of users. MyStratour collected sensitive information such as health issue, personal identification, and vaccination record. Therefore, engineers had to ensure that all data was securely stored and protected from unauthorized access. By following this principle, engineers support the well-being and trust of the public. The second principle focuses on client and employer. It's referring to the engineer's responsibility toward the Malaysian government. Engineers had to work honestly, follow the project requirement, and communicate clearly about technical progress, issues, and risks. The third principle is product. This principle requires engineers to produce software that is safe, reliable, and of high quality. For MyStratour, this means rigorous testing to make sure that QR code check-ins, exposure, notification, and vaccination certificate work correctly. Engineers also implement strong security features to prevent data breaches. The final principle is judgment. Engineers need to make careful and ethical decisions at every stage of development. They have to balance the need of rapid deployment with the need for thorough testing. Violate privacy. Good judgment was required when addressing technical problems to minimize the disruption for users. In conclusion, by applying the 4 principles of public, client, and employee, product, and judgment, the engineers behind MyStratour were able to create a system that was safe, trustworthy, and beneficial to society.